Hello everyone. In this exercise, we will understand the how to apply the weld bead using the option weld path in part B. This is the part B. In the part A, we have understood how to apply the weld bead in the Solidworks weldment by using the weld geometry. In this part, we will understand the weld path. So this is the simple part model, consists of the plate, and these are the gussets, and this is the pipe, structural pipe, this is the end cap. In the weldment, there is a weld bead. Here we will understand in the part mode. This feature is also available in the assembly feature section. So this is in the part A, we have understood the option weld geometry. Now we will study this weld path. Yes. Under this, we will not select the faces. We will not select the faces of the part to be welded. We will select the intersecting edge. We will select the intersecting edge of the two faces. This is the intersecting edge. This one. The weld line comes here. Another. This line. This line. This is the welding length comes here. Okay. And we will select the edges of the two faces intersecting. Two faces intersecting edge we will select in this one. Okay. Now 2 mm is the size of this weld, and the defined weld symbol is the same as in this thing. Weld symbol. This one 2 is the size, and the contour is there are the three contours. Flat, upper surface is a flat, convex type, other is the concave type. So I am selecting the flat face. Okay, and this is the okay. And now I am taking the another path, new weld path. Okay, in this new path, again we will select the intersecting edges of these two faces. First, I am selecting this edge. Surfaces of this is the intersecting line of this face and this face. I am selecting this line. 2 mm this thing. Weld length is weld symbol, define weld symbol. I am selecting the weld symbol here. Flat also selecting. Okay. In this weld symbol I am selecting here. And if suppose I want to I want to change in the weld this path. Want to change the weld path, this one. I want to edit this thing. What will I do? I will select this thing. There are the three edges, 1, 2, 3. In this way, if you want to remove any edges, right click, delete. In this way, we can delete it. This is in this way, welding is done. All these information we get in this the Future Tree Manager. There is a upper weld folder. In this we will get the weld information. 2 mm fillet, 2 weld size. This is this one. Again, if you want to edit this, we can edit from here. Edit feature. We can edit from here also. Okay. This 2 bed second bed, we can also edit it. In this way we can edit it. Now, suppose I want to add more weld. This is the weld path. I am selecting the weld path. Suppose I am selecting this path, intersecting edge of this one, this edge. Okay. Weld symbol is with fillet weld I am using. This field side. This is the presentation of the weld in which welder has to weld the component at the customer advice. This is simple for that. Same way this one. This is also. And customer at the customer advice, the welder goes to the customer side to weld the required part. This is symbol for that. This is for all round. We have understood this symbol under part A. This means the welding is to be done around the weld. Okay, I'm not taking this one. Simple this. And this is the weld, and this is the weld side. Next is the from and to length. From to length means this is the welding length. This is the there. It has the 2 points. One starting point, one end point. Suppose starting point I am taking to 2 mm. So starting point shift at a distance of 2 mm, and the welding length reduces to 43 mm. Suppose I starting point increases 5 mm. This thing. The starting point shifts at a distance of 5 mm, and welding length consequently reduces to 40 mm. In this way, this direction starting point can be changed from here. This now this is the starting point. In this way, we can change the direction here. This one. This way. This is this. This is another weld. I am taking another example, weld bead, weld path. Suppose I am selecting this edge. In under weld path, we will select the edge of the two faces. This edge is the intersecting edge of the two faces. Not face we have to select. We have to select the edge. This edge. This is the true length. Suppose intermittent weld. Intermittent weld means the welding is not continuous. Welding is not continuous, intermittent weld. First option under intermittent weld is gap and weld length. Gap means 2.25. Weld length. This is these are the length of the weld. These are and there is a gap between the two adjacent weld. There is a gap of 2.2. Suppose I want to increase the length 4 mm. Weld length increases. Weld length increases and gap is 2.25. Suppose I increase the gap 5 mm. Gap increases. In this way, this weld length 4 mm is the length of this weld, and the gap is between these two adjacent weld. Another option, pitch and weld length. Pitch and weld length. Suppose weld length is 4 mm and the pitch is 5 mm. This pitch means the center point of the first weld and the center point of adjacent weld. That is the pitch, or the length of the one weld plus gap. This is known as a pitch. So basically, the pitch is the midpoint distance from the midpoint of one weld to the center point of the second weld. This is known as the pitch. Suppose pitch I reduces here 3 mm, it becomes 3 mm, 2 mm, 5 mm. This is the 5 mm. In this way, we can use this. Define weld symbol. Can do it. Weld symbol from here. Contour is the flat. Weld symbol, plate, and this way. To represent these weld symbols and this welding bead, you will have to go in the view, hide and show, all annotation. You will have to click this thing, all annotation, to show this weld bead, this welding symbols, and weld bead. To show this weld bead, you will have to click this thing. Okay. You can also select from here. This is the weld bead. View weld bead. You can also select it to show the weld bead. Suppose another example, we also take this weld path, this one under weld path. We select this edge. Suppose radius is 3 mm. This is the radius of this welding profile, 4 mm. Define weld symbol. Weld symbol can be decided from here, and the contour is this one, flat. Okay. This one. Suppose from and to length. This weld length is coming. Suppose I want to keep the starting point at a distance of 4 mm. And length of the weld is 41 mm. This one. I want to edit this thing. Edit future. Want to edit this thing. Edit future. You can edit from here also. Intermittent weld. This is the for this weld. This is the last weld. This one. If I click this weld, the weld concerned weld will be highlighted. Suppose I click on this one, it means this will be hidden. And if I want to edit, right click, edit feature. In this way we can edit this. Suppose I want to keep the length 6 mm. This is now the starting point is changed at a distance of 6 mm, and welding rate reduces as consequently 41 mm in this way. And the direction of this starting point can be shifted. It's changed. This one. Now the starting point start from this end. If I change again this starting point, in this way we can manipulating the to end position of this weld. Okay. So these are the welds, different welds under this welding folder. All the welding folder and this one. If you want to hide the cosmetic weld, hide it. Right click, show cosmetic weld. In this way we can show and hide the cosmetic. And these are the different welds. These are the all the information we get for the estimation purpose. The estimator can use for this thing for the welding estimation. And if you want to edit any weld, suppose these are the two welds we have created. Suppose I want to there are the 4 paths in this one. Right click, edit feature, we can edit it. Or even we can delete this. Suppose I want to delete it, I can delete from here. This I can delete. This will be deleted. In this way, these are the weld. All information comes in the weld folder. These are the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Suppose I click this weld highlights. I click this weld highlights. This weld. Accordingly, I can edit from here. Edit feature. This way. And another weld is this one, vertical weld. And another this. To edit this thing, open it and right click it, edit feature. Here we can edit it. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. We have how to apply the weld bead in the Solidworks weldment using the weld path option in the part. This is the part B. And you please like, share, and subscribe this channel. And thank you very much for watching this.